and today I'm going to show you how to make ice cream in a bag. I'm making vanilla ice cream, but you can make any kind. So first, we'll need 1 cup of half and half. It's half cream, half milk, but you can use regular if you have to. There we go. Now we'll need 2 tablespoons of sugar. This is awesome making it from home. You don't need a machine. Easy peasy. Now we'll need a half teaspoon of vanilla. Now we'll have to lift up the bag and we'll have to seal it up. Okay, we are going to set this to the side for a second, and we are going to put some kosher salt in a bag full of ice. You can also use rock salt, but if you have kosher salt, that's what you can use also. And you'll have to add a 1/3 cup. Let's drizzle it in. Okay, now you'll have to put this mixture into the bag, seal the bigger bag, and shake. And now we'll have to shake it as hard as we can. Let's do this. You'll have to do it for about 5 to 6 minutes. And if you get too tired, then trade with one of your siblings or one of your friends. Come on! Anna, over here. As hard as you can. Good job. As hard as you can, Anna. My turn. Good job. This is so fun, but my arms are getting tired. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's open up the bag. Wow, it's totally frozen. Ta-da! Let's scoop it. This looks awesome. Let's put some toppings on it. I'm using sprinkles and chocolate chips, but you can use any kind of toppings. This looks awesome. And if you want to make other flavors, I'll add that in the recipe. And now it's time for the taste test. It's cold, but good. This is really good ice cream. Thanks for watching. Bye.